All right, we're here at Falls Creek, Alaska, and we're hunting for some waterfalls. And I want to talk a little bit about shooting long exposures for waterfalls. I want to show how you can get different looks with waterfalls. So what you'll need is a camera with a tripod, ND filter. I have rain boots on, extra toughs because I'm going to get wet. If your lens has stabilization, make sure to turn that off. If you're on a tripod, you don't need that stabilization, and sometimes it will kind of work against you and introduce a little bit of blurring. Also, because I have a heavy hand, I usually set my 2-second timer so that I'm able to click my shutter button and then step away, let the camera kind of come to a rest before it snaps its picture. If your water's moving really fast, you can get away with a half-second shutter speed or even something a little less, but you want to make sure that you preserve the detail in the rushing water. A lot of times if you shoot it really long, you'll lose some of the details in the white, and I want to keep those details.
So here's an example of what I'm talking about. On the left-hand side, we have a picture taken with about a 1/4 second shutter speed, and on the right-hand side, a 2-second shutter speed. So the one on the left, you can see there's a little more detail. It shows a little bit more motion, a little more action, and the one on the right is smoother, more ethereal. Either one will work, it just depends on what look you're going for.
So it's actually dark enough out here where I didn't need any ND filters. I was shooting at f/22 and anywhere between 1/10 of a second, 1 second, up to 2 seconds. But like I said, depending on how fast the water is moving will dictate how much shutter speed you want to apply to it. Like I said, more always isn't better. And the water that was moving today, I was keeping it right around, I was keeping it right around a second, and that was yielding the best results, at least for me. It's always a preference thing, but just go out and try it for yourself, and if you have any questions, just comment below.